We've all been there, the daily grind, the endless meetings, the overflowing inbox. We tell ourselves it's all worth it. We're building our careers, securing our futures. We put in the extra hours, go the extra mile. We miss family dinners, skip vacations, sacrifice our personal lives. We tell ourselves it's temporary, that it will all pay off eventually. But what happens when review time comes? Meets expectations, the dreaded words, all those late nights, all those sacrifices, for what? A pat on the back and a minimal raise? The harsh reality is, corporations don't care about your personal life. They don't care about your mental health. They care about productivity, about profits, about the bottom line. You're an asset, a resource, replaceable. But they care. Your family, your friends, the people who truly love you, they see you not just your job title. They value your presence, your laughter, your love. They are the ones who are irreplaceable. So what do? You prioritize. You set boundaries. You remember what truly matters. You work to live, not live to work. You take control of your life. You choose happiness. You choose your family. You choose you. Your life, your choice.